barbecue pigtail recipe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack.
Hey guys, welcome back to my cooking recipe for today. So barbecue pigtail. I'm going to show you how I prepare my recipe. Remember, Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. So we have some pigtail season cut up well nice and clean. We have some ginger, garlic paste and flavored oil. Guys, remember the recipe, barbecue pigtail and sweet corn rice, guys, right? So we have the pigtail right here, so we're going to chop it up but then get more smaller. So I'm going to show you how we prepare my recipe. We have rice right there, sweet corn, we have the barbecue sauce, we have pepper, scallion, onion. So guys, starting by tenderizing the pigtail for 15 minutes to get nice brown pepper color, guys. So this is the way I prepare my recipe. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. In my Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack, guys. So we have some sweet corn rice right there and thing. So we're going to make barbecue sauce. So we have some rum also. Not really enough. Let's see taste and flavor. So we're going to add the ketchup also. Yes, guys. So we're going to add the barbecue sauce. So we are showing step by step how we prepare recipe. So now, so the pigtail now, tenderize for 15 minutes, get nice brown there, nice brown golden color. Just like you can see recipe presentation. You can see the rice, some sweet corn. Okay, so we tenderize the pigtail how we want it. Yes. So now that update, so we're going to add some sugar, normal taste and flavor. You can see the recipe, eatable, tasteable. So you have some vinegar, same way, put in barbecue sauce. So add some browning to give color, because we don't want the barbecue pigtail to white, so we give some browning to give a normal pretty color. So the pigtail and thing, guys, you can see presentation. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. So we're going to add some water. So water in pigtail, I'm going to pressure it till it gets soft. Remember, please make a pigtail get soft first. A tough pigtail cannot eat. So see the barbecue sauce, I'm starting by stir it up and thin, guys. So now add the Maggi season to taste and flavor. Yes, so this is how I prepare my recipe. This is the way how I prepare my recipe, guys. So add some Maggi season, taste and flavor. So I'm starting by stir it up, let it combine together. Barbecue sauce cook for 10 minutes, guys. Yeah, so another update. See the rice and thing there, can see. So see the pigtail at pressure, see the barbecue sauce there. Yes, guys, so the pigtail done now and thing, presentation well soft and nice, ready to eat. So add the barbecue sauce to it. Yes, guys, so you know, so the barbecue pigtail kind of ready now. So I'm starting by shape up the sauce with the pigtail together. And so it's a recipe eatable, tasteable, delicious. So you can see the presentation of the recipe, eatable, tasteable. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. Remember, Jamaican cooking, Lumberjack. You can see sweet corn. You can see presentation of the recipe. Please